Do you want to start your day speaking English with confidence? Do you want to wake up and say the right words without thinking? This is your morning English practice. I will give you 99 easy sentences all about your morning routine, from waking up to leaving home. No grammar rules, no stress. Just listen, repeat, and speak. We will practice in 3 levels. Level 1, beginner, short, simple sentences for morning actions. Level 2, intermediate, natural conversations about your morning. Level 3, advanced, longer sentences to describe your feelings and thoughts in the morning. You will hear each sentence twice. Then you will repeat it twice. Do this every morning, and your English will become stronger. Let's begin your morning practice. Part 1. Level 1. Beginner. Simple morning actions. These are short sentences for things you do every morning. Waking up. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm. I sit up in bed. I sit up in bed. I yawn loudly. I yawn loudly. I look at the window. I look at the window. I see the sunlight. I see the sunlight. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I am ready to start. I am ready to start. Getting out of bed. I put my feet on the floor. I put my feet on the floor. I stand up slowly. I stand up slowly. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I stretch my legs. I stretch my legs. I walk to the bathroom. I walk to the bathroom. I turn on the light. I turn on the light. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. I smile at myself. Washing and brushing. I wash my face with water. I wash my face with water. I use soap. I use soap. I dry my face with a towel. I dry my face with a towel. I put toothpaste on my brush. I put toothpaste on my brush. I brush my teeth gently. I brush my teeth gently. I rinse my mouth. I rinse my mouth. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I feel fresh and clean. I feel fresh and clean. Getting dressed. I open my closet. I open my closet. I choose my clothes. I choose my clothes. I put on my shirt. I put on my shirt. I put on my pants. I put on my pants. I put on my socks. I put on my socks. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I look at myself in the mirror. I look at myself in the mirror. I feel good about today. I feel good about today. Level 1 complete. Great job. You now have simple morning sentences. Let's move to Level 2. Part 2. Level 2. Intermediate. Morning conversations. These are natural sentences you can say to family, friends, or colleagues in the morning. Talking to family. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Good morning. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept very well. Yes, I slept very well. What do you want for breakfast? What do you want for breakfast? I would like some eggs and toast. I would like some eggs and toast. Can you pass me the milk, please? Can you pass me the milk, please? Sure, here you go. Sure, here you go. I will make coffee for us. I will make coffee for us. Thank you. You are so kind. Thank you. You are so kind. Morning questions. What time did you wake up? What time did you wake up? I woke up at 6:30. I woke up at 6:30. Did you hear the alarm? Did you hear the alarm? No, I slept through it. No, I slept through it. Are you feeling tired? Are you feeling tired? A little, but I will be fine. A little, but I will be fine. Do you have any plans today? Do you have any plans today? Yes, I have a busy day ahead. Yes, I have a busy day ahead. At breakfast. What are we having for breakfast? What are we having for breakfast? I made some oatmeal and fruit. I made some oatmeal and fruit. That smells delicious. That smells delicious. Would you like some juice? Would you like some juice? Yes, orange juice, please. Yes, orange juice, please. I will pour it for you. I will pour it for you. Let's eat together. Let's eat together. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. Leaving home. I am leaving now. I am leaving now. Have a great day. Have a great day. Don't forget your keys. Don't forget your keys. I have them in my bag. I have them in my bag. Do you need a ride? Level 2 complete. Excellent. You are now having morning conversations. Let's go to Level 3. Part 3. Level 3. Advanced. Morning thoughts and feelings. These are longer sentences for sharing your thoughts, emotions, and intentions in the morning. How you feel in the morning. I usually feel a bit sleepy when I first wake up. I usually feel a bit sleepy when I first wake up. After a cup of coffee, I feel more alive. After a cup of coffee, I feel more alive. Some mornings I feel full of energy. Some mornings I feel full of energy. Other mornings I feel like staying in bed. Other mornings I feel like staying in bed. I try to start every day with a positive thought. I try to start every day with a positive thought. It makes a big difference in my mood. It makes a big difference in my mood. I am grateful for a new day. I am grateful for a new day. I want to make today a good day. I want to make today a good day. Planning your morning. Before I do anything else, I drink a glass of water. Then I spend 5 minutes planning my day. I write down 3 things I want to finish. This helps me stay focused and calm. I avoid checking my phone right away. Instead, I enjoy my breakfast slowly. A peaceful morning leads to a productive day. I am learning to love my morning routine. Encouraging yourself in the morning. Today is a fresh start. Today is a fresh start. I can choose to be happy. I can choose to be happy. I am capable of handling whatever comes. I am capable of handling whatever comes. Mistakes from yesterday are gone. Mistakes from yesterday are gone. I will do my best today. I will do my best today. I will speak English without fear. I will speak English without fear. Every morning I grow a little stronger. Every morning I grow a little stronger. I believe in myself. I believe in myself.
Morning affirmations. I am grateful for this new day. I am grateful for this new day. My energy is high and positive. My energy is high and positive. I attract good things into my life. I attract good things into my life. I am confident and strong. I am confident and strong. I speak English clearly and calmly. I speak English clearly and calmly. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. Today will be a beautiful day. Today will be a beautiful day. I am ready for anything. I am ready for anything.
Level 3 complete. Fantastic! You have completed all 3 levels. You can now talk about your morning, from waking up to leaving home, with simple sentences, natural conversations, and deeper thoughts.
Conclusion and next steps. Congratulations! You now have 99 morning sentences to practice every day. You learned how to say what you do in the morning, how to talk to family, and how to encourage yourself. Here is your mission. Practice these sentences every morning. Repeat them while you brush your teeth or drink your coffee. Soon, English will feel natural.
If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe for more daily practice. Share it with a friend who wants to speak English in the morning. Write in the comments, what is the first thing you say in English every morning? I read every comment. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next video.